Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Christie, and tonight's homework is sharing veggie pizza. So this is more of the stuff that we've been working on, sharing things among more kids than items that we have. So let's read it together. Karen and her 3 friends want to share 3 small veggie pizzas equally. So Karen and her 3 friends. So Karen and her 3 friends. So that's 4 people. So 4 people want to share 3 small veggie pizzas equally. Karen tried to figure out how much pizza each of the 4 children would get. She drew this picture and wrote 2 answers. So you can see she cut her pizzas into 4 pieces. Each piece is 1/4. And then she writes her answers are either 3/4 or 1 1/4. And the first question is, which of Karen's answers is correct? Okay, so she cut her pizzas into 4ths, and she shaded 1, 2, 3 fourths. 3/4. So the correct answer, 3/4. 3/4. Okay. Draw on Karen's diagram to make it clear how the pizza should be distributed among the 4 children. So I'm actually really glad that this homework is asking you to do this, because a lot of you draw pictures like this but then don't show how the kids get the pizza. So I'm just going to give you one idea. You don't have to use my idea. You can use your own idea. So I'm going to draw I'm going to put 2 people over here. And then I'm going to put 2 people over here just because of space. Okay. So this 4th is going to go to this person. This 4th can go to this person. This 4th can go to this person, and this 4th can go to this person. So that split up the pizzas. Each person got 1/4. Now we're going to split up this pizza. So this 4th goes to this person. This goes to this person. This goes to this person. And this one here, whoops, I'm going to go around the top, goes to that person. So again, they each got 1/4. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other pizza, the last one. So 1/4 goes to this guy, 1/4 goes to that guy, 1/4 goes to that guy, and 1/4 goes to that guy. And they each get another 1/4. So they each got 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. And 3/4, because 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. There are other ways that you could have done that, but I just did it that way like we did in the book. Okay, so number 2. Erin and her 7 friends want to share 6 small veggie pizzas equally. How much pizza will each of the 8 children get? Okay, so I'm going to draw this on another piece of paper. You can just do it on the back. Or I guess you could do it down here. That would be okay too, but all right. So here's 6 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pizzas. And then there's 8 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And of course they're happy because they're getting pizza. And pizza always makes us happy, right? So we love pizza. Okay. So there's 8 people, there's 7 pizzas. I can't give pass holes out. So I have to cut them in as many pieces as people that we have. So I'm going to cut this into 8s, and I'm going to cut this into 8s, and I'm going to cut this into 8s, and I'm going to cut this into 8s. Okay. So each of these is 1/8. Okay. So, and I'm going to write this in words because I don't want to draw the lines. It's going to make a mess, and I'll just write the words. So, each person gets 1/8 of each pizza, and so they each get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they each get 1/8 of each. So how many 8ths is that all together? And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, whoops. Yeah. 6 pizzas. So they each get 6/8. 6/8. 6/8 total. Now, I am going to ask you a trick question. You don't have to do this, but if you can, who knows what an easier, more simple equivalent fraction would be? 6/8 equals what? Well, 6 and 8 are both divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is 3/4. Who will get more pizza, Karen or Erin? Well, okay, so guess what? They both get the same. Both get the same amount of pizza. Explain or show how you know. So 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. List all the factors of 50. Okay, so remember we make this T-chart like this. And the first factors we put are 1 and 50. And then 2 and 25. Does 3 go into 50? Nope. How about 4? Nope. How about 5? Yes, 5 and 10. 5 times 10. And that's it. We're done. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Is 50 prime or composite? Well, we know the definition of prime means with exactly two factors, one in itself, and 50 clearly has way more than that. So 50 must be composite. Write the factor pairs for 75. Okay, so 75, we can just do the same thing that we did with 50. So we've got 1 and 75. Does 2 go into 75? Nope, because look, it's an odd number, so we know it's not even, so 2 is not a factor. How about 3? Yes, and if you know your money, you know 3/4 equals 75 cents, so it's 25. And then 4 does not go in, but 5 does. We know that because the number in the ones place is a 5, therefore 5 goes into it. How many times? Well, I know that 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 5 is 25, and 50 plus 25 is 75, so 10 plus 5 is 15, so it must be 15. And that's it. So 1 and 75, 3 and 25, 5 and 15. And that's it. And I hope you have a wonderful night, and I will see you tomorrow.